Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the system. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on Reset Options. And now let's tap on Reset Network Settings at the top. And as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So it will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. So let's tap on Reset Settings. Confirm it with your pattern, PIN or password. And here your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So simply tap on Reset Settings. And here we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.